soft mattress he borrowed from his second aunt's house became the bed. Use 2 wooden boxes as steps to store his smelly socks and underwear. Make a ceiling wardrobe above to hang all his clothes. Add a side extension seat bench wall cabinet to increase storage space. It's more comfortable to sleep with a soft bag against the wall. Install a beautiful wooden molding closing table. Dig a hole in the wall and cover it with wood veneer. Place a socket switch by the bedside for convenience. It can also serve as a bedside table. Such beds are firm and won't bump into each other. He will have no problem sleeping on it until he marries a wife. Remember to install an iron guardrail to prevent him from rolling down while sleeping. The height under the bed is 1.5 meters, so there's no risk of hitting his head. Make a storage cabinet under the stairs for quilts that haven't been used in ages and large suitcases. Install a clothes rail outside to hang all the out-of-season clothes. Install gauze curtains for an environmentally friendly and beautiful look. Create a wall full of bookcases next to it. Add a low cabinet with side drawers to store all his favorite toys, and put soft cushions on top to create a leisure reading area. Extend the area by the window to make a suspended desk for storing small tools. Extend the countertop to the windowsill to make it spacious enough for school supplies, creating a functional desk. When he gets tired of reading and writing, he can change his posture and read a book. Every day, he'll open it and immerse his heart in the ocean of knowledge. Place a small blackboard next to it to memorize word formulas. The room is small and needs good ventilation, so remember to install a small ceiling fan. The key is that there's a wide activity area